Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here of 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, I got my hands on exciting new product made by Fanttik. This is the Aqua X. This particular product right now is the world's first when it comes to drone technology that's going to give you the S-FSD Aqua Pilot. Smart navigation equipped with 12 underwater sensors that is going to give you real-time navigation mapping for the ultra cleaning experience. So we're going to go ahead and dive in, get this thing unboxed, and I'm going to go over the features, its performance, and give you the full-on demo. So let's go ahead and open her up. Now this particular unit right here has the capability of running up to 6 hours of continuous run time. And on top of that, this thing is also designed to move a massive 4,000 gallons of water per minute. Now the first item that we have out of the box, we have our charging cable, our remote control. This is for real-time waterline movement as well as navigation when remote accessing this unit. There's our instructions book, and it looks like we've got a water filter basket. What we really want to see is our actual unit. Now, if in case you're wondering what this is right here that I'm holding, this is a water buoy. This is going to allow you to give real-time app navigation and remote control cleaning access to be able to use this thing without having to remove your pool cleaner from the water. What I'm excited most about this product right here is not just the performance, but its capability of being able to provide you 15.7 inches of brush cleaning. And it's got independent wheel operated motors, including the brush. So I'm gonna set all this aside. Equipped with 4 brushless motors, 15.7 inch scrub brush, and we've got 4, again, brushless motors on this thing. It is designed to accommodate swimming pools up to 3,390 square feet. It has an easy lift, massive cleaning basket, 6 liters, to give you an immense amount of collection. Let's give you a walk around on this thing. Easy to lift handles, both sides. And on the top, we also have our buoy, capable from going 2 feet to 12 feet underwater. Easy lift charge port. Definitely want to make sure that this charge port is fully installed prior to putting in the water. We've got our different modes of cleaning, our off switch, and as you can see, our little buoy to allow you real-time access to navigate and change direction and map and direct this. We also have a 12 sensor unit here. So now that you guys have seen this walk around, go ahead and power this on and get it connected. Hit add new device. So here we have it, guys. This is just the standard speed that you can get this thing adjusted and set to. And there is also a turbo mode. So you guys got to check this out. Even while it's underwater, you can adjust this thing real time. Move it down. Can you see the speed difference? Now let's go ahead and adjust it back up. Submit. We can go all, which is going to be the floor, walls, water line. Right where we're at right now, you can kind of see the unit right down there moving along. Now with this remote control, the thing that's nice about it, so we've got a pause and start. We also have the manual, auto, and then the off and on. Now this is the best part with this remote control, is that we have full access to be able to move this thing around. Again, the drone technology, and to be able to have full access to move this thing in any direction. And the coolest part about it is that as this thing is moving around under the water, the brushes and the suction on it operate at the same time. So as you are driving this thing around, it is going to be able to pick up all of the debris as it's running. Oh yeah, we've got our water line cleaning. Go ahead and get our pool cleaner pulled out of the pool here. And I'm going to use the remote control. I'm going to navigate it where I want it. That was actually a nice shutdown. Now, I'm real curious to see as to what kind of debris we got picked up on this thing. I want you guys to see how clean my pool is. Yeah. I would say we did a fantastic job. Crystal clear, nice blue water. Fanttik, you guys get an A+. I'm in love with this cleaner. Time to open up my container. 6-liter debris holder. All right, with a simple lift of the rear latch here, that is our entire handle. 6 liters, this thing is going to hold quite a bit. Oh man, look at all that sediment. That was the biggest challenge that I was faced with in my swimming pool. The silt and sediment. Because constantly from the filter, from the traditional one to the bottom of the pool, I was having challenges with getting up all this muck. And yeah, this thing did awesome. So if you're looking for something to give you extra capacity to be able to hold your cleaning needs, Fanttik is it. The Fanttik Aero X, everybody. This thing works and performs incredibly well. Again, 4,000 gallons per minute, 6 hours of run time, and you get real-time remote connection via app and remote control through the corded buoy. 4 independent brushless motors, yes. Again, A+, 2 thumbs up. Try it out for yourself, guys. You're going to love it.